Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into Bolt AI, a super cool app for Mac that brings AI right into your daily work. Let's check it out. What's Bolt AI? It's a Mac app that lets you use AI to help with tasks like writing emails, coding, or brainstorming ideas. It's not some bulky program, it's fast, lightweight, and works right in your apps. You just type what you need and boom. Bolt AI gives you suggestions instantly. It uses OpenAI's tech but keeps everything local on your Mac for privacy. Here's why Bolt AI stands out. You can create custom AI assistants for specific jobs like writing in a certain style or helping with code. It's got a prompt library to make things easy, and you can set up keyboard shortcuts to use it anywhere. Plus, it keeps your data safe with Apple's keychain and auto-redact sensitive info like emails or phone numbers. It's super user-friendly whether you're a beginner or a pro. The pros? It's fast, private, and fits right into your workflow. I made a note-taking app in minutes. The con? It's Mac only for now, so Windows or Linux users are out of luck. Also, it uses OpenAI's API, so costs can add up if you go big. That's Bolt AI in a nutshell, guys. If you're a Mac user and want AI to boost your work, give it a try at boltai.com. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you next time. Bye-bye.